So, hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 24th till the 30th of March. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. So let's start, Sagittarius. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what we have. We have the Ace of Swords. So this is somebody who feels like they got the mental clarity about the situation, and or they're seeking for the truth here somewhere. Whatever is happening in the situation. Let me clarify the Ace of Swords here. We have the Star, the Justice, and the World card. Okay. So this is someone who feels like healing the situation between you and them by doing whatever is right in this situation. Now they feel the urge to do something right in this direction so that you guys can heal the situation properly and honestly. There was an ending, there was a breakup or separation. There was something that completed, there was a completion of a cycle in the situation. And now this person is feeling this urge and this desire to sort it out with you somehow. They feel like doing the right thing from their side, whatever it means. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Sagis? Lover. So from your side, you feel like making the right choice in the right direction. Maybe the choice is between two people, two energies, and or the choice of like whether to give this another shot or leave it behind. Whatever you are stuck on right now. Let's clarify the lovers. We have the King of Wands, the Page of Wands, the Ace of Cups in reverse. See, you feel like going in a particular direction and having fun and seeing where things can go. But Sagittarius, you are not feeling like you should open up your heart too much or you should emotionally invest in something or someone too much, right? Because you feel like let's test the waters and let's see what can happen, and let's then invest maybe or not to invest in that direction, right? So from your side, you feel like you should just invest a little bit in something and see where things can go, and then maybe decide. Okay, because you feel like making the right choice here, but not investing too much. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Three of Pentacles. Their intention is to put in the effort and energy in this direction, have equal give and take of energy in this situation, have equal participation from both the sides. Okay, let's clarify the Three of Pentacles here. We have the Queen of Wands, the Seven of Pentacles, the Moon card. Wow. See, this person wants to take action from their side when they are going to be sure that this is the right time to take the action in this direction. What is happening here is that they are scared. This person is scared of doing anything in this direction because they know this is going to be a disaster. Hmm? That's why this person wants to wait for the right time and they will be able to overcome the insecurities, and when they will be able to do something about the situation, then they want to come forward towards you and do something about the situation. But they want equal give and take of energy from both the sides at the right time. Right now they know it's not happening. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Sagis? Page of Pentacles. You just want to go in a new direction. Now the new direction can be connecting with the same person but not investing too much, just being friends or something and testing the waters. For others of you, it could be a totally new person, new energy that you want to go forward with. Let's clarify the Page of Pentacles. We have the Three of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, and the Five of Wands in reverse, right? See, you just want to invest in something that you know is going to give you good results in return. You don't want to invest in anything that you know is not going to be good for you. It's like right now you just don't want to follow your heart. You want to do things practically, Sagittarius. And you want to wait for the time when the dust is going to settle down in a particular situation so that you can move forward in a new direction. Again, the new direction can be anything. I just explained it to you, right? So you want to be practical. You want to go in a new direction, do something, but not fully opening up, but not fully investing. You just want to wait and watch and test the waters and then move further, like move forward, right? Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 30th of March. Eight of Cups. Okay, emotional detachment. It's like trying to walk away and move on, or just leaving something or someone behind because it's not serving you anymore. Let's clarify the Eight of Cups here. Okay, okay. We have the Empress, the Eight of Wands, the Five of Pentacles. There will be a communication regarding some kind of loss or losses that you had with somebody at some point of time. And the conclusion here is that walking away and moving on from the situation is good for actually both of you, because this situation right now is not serving any one of you in any positive way. So, for your own good, for your own happiness, you are going to be in this energy of walking away from something or someone, because the conclusion here is that this is not meant for you, this is not good for you. So, you're going to realize that something that you might be investing in, maybe from quite a long time now, is not something that you were anticipating it to be. And you're going to realize the losses, you're going to count the losses, count the blessings, and I do see you detaching. Okay? Yep. For you, the guidance here is you have to balance your divine feminine and divine masculine, meaning you have to balance your practical and emotional side, and then you have to make a right choice, make the wise choice in the right direction, honey. Until unless you are going to have a very, very balanced kind of approach in a particular situation, you will not be able to see things from a neutral point of view, and you will not be able to make the right choice. So emotional and practical balance, you can say, mental balance is highly, highly required in order to make the right choice here in the right direction. That's the deal. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Sagis. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.